Are you looking into starting streaming or have you already started? Would you like some tips? Whether you're totally new or have some experience, I hope this guide can help you all the same. So we're going to start at the beginning. So you'll need a device to stream off of, first of all. Your options are a PC, either a laptop or a desktop, a console, either an Xbox One or newer, or a PlayStation 4 or newer, or you can choose your mobile device, your smartphone. If you're new, think about what your first stream will be. What do you want to stream? Examples of that would be play a video game, draw something on stream, or play an instrument. Check out Twitch's categories to get an idea for what's out there. That's also helpful even if you don't plan to stream on Twitch. I do believe it's a helpful resource. Once you pick your device and platform, you may need software to start streaming. An example of that is if you're on PC, you might need a software like OBS. If you're streaming on mobile, if you're using Twitch for example, you can stream directly from the app, and you can stream either your camera or a mobile game. On console, you can stream a game, and if you have a webcam that's compatible with your console, you can also stream a webcam over your game too. The way that you stream and what you stream is up to you. Don't worry, I will do my best to help you with this guide so that you can start or continue what you've been doing and get better at it. I'm going to make another video soon going into more detail about how to actually start streaming. If you're using a software on a PC, or if you're using mobile or console, I'll do my best to explain how all those work for you. So this has been part 1 to an ongoing series I'm starting called Mystic's Guide to Streaming. I want to help you guys start streaming and continue getting better at it if you've already started. Please consider following if you like this video, if it helped you. I am going to be making a second part to this very soon, so stick around for that, and I hope you have a great day.